Are you tired of weak, unreliable erections? Do you want to regain your confidence, feel powerful, and perform at your absolute best in the bedroom starting tonight? Then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 powerful steps that can help you achieve rock-hard erections naturally, safely, and effectively. These steps are backed by science and proven lifestyle changes. And trust me, number 7 is the real game changer. So stick around till the end, because by the time you finish watching, you'll know exactly what to do tonight to see results tomorrow. Welcome back to Health I Seek, the channel where we bring seniors the truth about natural healing, vitality, and aging strong. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not substitute any medical care. Always seek advice from your doctor before making any changes or decisions regarding your health. Step 1. Fix your blood flow. Erections are all about blood flow. The better your circulation, the harder and longer lasting your erections. Poor diet, lack of exercise, and even stress can slow down your circulation. To fix this, start including circulation-friendly foods in your dinner tonight, like spinach, kale, beetroot, pomegranate, and even watermelon. These foods are rich in nitrates and L-citrulline, which naturally relax your blood vessels and improve blood flow. Quick tip: avoid heavy, greasy, fried foods before bed. They clog your arteries and slow blood circulation. Eat light and eat smart tonight. Step 2. Activate your pelvic muscles. Did you know that strong pelvic floor muscles can make the difference between a weak erection and a rock-hard one? It's true. A quick 5-minute Kegel workout before bed can do wonders. Sit or lie down comfortably. Squeeze the muscles you'd use to stop urination midstream. Hold for 5 seconds, then release. Do this 10 times. This strengthens your erection control muscles and increases staying power. The best part? You can do it right now without anyone even knowing. Step 3. Stay hydrated. Dehydration is an erection killer most men ignore. When you don't drink enough water, your blood thickens, circulation slows, and energy drops. So tonight, before going to bed, drink a glass of water. Not too much, just enough to stay hydrated. Add a slice of lemon or cucumber for extra minerals. Hydration not only boosts circulation, but also helps your body produce more nitric oxide, the chemical that makes erections strong and lasting. Step 4. Reduce stress and relax. Stress is one of the biggest erection killers. When you're anxious, your body produces too much cortisol and adrenaline, which shut down your sexual response. So tonight, make time to relax before bed. Try deep breathing, meditation, or even a warm shower to calm your nerves. Another powerful hack: turn off your phone at least 30 minutes before sleeping. Endless scrolling overstimulates your brain and lowers your testosterone. Instead, give your partner or yourself your full attention. Step 5. Boost testosterone. Naturally, testosterone is the ultimate male performance hormone. Without enough of it, erections become soft and energy levels crash. Here's what you can do tonight. Do 20 push-ups or squats before bed. Short bursts of exercise increase testosterone production. Eat zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, nuts, or seafood for dinner. Get 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep. Your body makes most of its testosterone during sleep. Remember, testosterone is your natural fuel for rock-hard erections, so don't ignore it. Step 6. Improve your breathing and oxygen. Here's something most men don't realize. Your erections depend on oxygen supply. If your breathing is shallow, your blood carries less oxygen and performance suffers. A quick trick is to practice deep belly breathing before sleep. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 2 seconds. Exhale gently through your mouth for 6 seconds. Do this for 5 minutes. You'll feel calmer, your oxygen levels will rise, and your erections will be harder and more sustainable. Step 7. Create the right bedroom environment. This one might surprise you, but your environment has a direct impact on your performance. Keep your bedroom cool and dark. A lower temperature helps boost testosterone and blood flow. Avoid alcohol before bed. While it may relax you, alcohol actually reduces erection quality. Build intimacy with your partner. Simple touches, kisses, or even playful conversation can prime your body and mind for peak performance. When your body feels comfortable, safe, and relaxed, erections come naturally and stay strong. So, there you have it. 7 powerful and practical steps you can start using tonight to achieve rock-hard erections. From improving your blood flow with the right foods, strengthening your pelvic muscles, staying hydrated and reducing stress, to boosting your testosterone, practicing deep breathing, and creating the perfect bedroom environment. Each step plays an important role in helping you perform at your absolute best. If you apply even a few of these tonight, you'll notice a real difference in both your performance and your confidence. And remember, small changes done consistently can completely transform your results over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more health and performance tips, and share this with someone who might benefit. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Tell me which of these steps you're going to try first tonight.